In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with clients in FreshBooks. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone just getting acquainted with FreshBooks, managing your clients effectively is crucial. Let's break this down into easy to follow steps that will guide you through the process. First, let's start with the basics. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for the FreshBooks website. Once you've located the site, click on it to open the home page. Navigating from here, swiftly look for the login button, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will take you to the login screen. Enter your credentials, and with that, you'll be ready to access your dashboard, a digital hub where all your financial activities can be organized and monitored. After successfully logging in, your next move is to head over to the Clients section. This is where all the magic happens. Locate the Clients tab on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Clicking here takes you to a page where you have a complete list of your current clients. Now, to add a new client, you must click on the New Client button. You'll find this option prominently displayed, ready for you to begin crafting your client database. This action opens up a form that you'll need to fill out with your client's details. The first detail to enter is your client's first name. This might sound simple, but it's crucial to ensure you spell names correctly, as it will help maintain professional communication in your future interactions. Following this, you'll need to type in the client's last name. Again, attention to detail goes a long way in setting the right professional tone. Next, enter the company name. This piece of information is particularly important if you're dealing with corporate clients, as it allows you to organize and manage different clients who might be part of the same company seamlessly. Following the company name, it's time to input the email address. Ensure that this is accurate, as FreshBooks will use this email for all important notifications and correspondences between you and your client. The last piece of information to fill out is the client's phone number. This offers a direct contact method if there are ever urgent matters that require immediate attention, ensuring you have multiple communication avenues at your disposal. Once you've carefully entered all the client information, take a moment to review everything. Make sure all the data you've entered is accurate and complete. When you're satisfied that everything looks perfect, just click the Save button. This will securely store the information, and your new client will now appear in your FreshBooks client list, ready for you to manage and collaborate with. That's all there is to it. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to efficiently managing clients in FreshBooks. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and happy invoicing.